It's very emotional for me. My whole life is sort of in that room. I started collecting these dresses, when I was about 24 years old. And it really changed my life. I was already in the fashion business, but collecting vintage couture and learning really more about fashion and design inspired me. And so I'm emotional because every dress in that room I've worn and to different events, my wedding dress, and I'm delighted that people will see it and enjoy it.
This exhibition is thanks a lot to Bonnie Clearwater, who I've had the opportunity of working with many times before, and she truly is one of the great curators in the United States today. And the only way I can describe it is she gets it. She really gets it. I know that Karen Kilimnik would be very, very happy if she was here today. She's a great artist, one of the really great artists of our time.
We love Karen's work, and we did a big show at our foundation in Greenwich, Connecticut. So we started collecting even more, so the show would be really complete.
I'm chairing, actually, so we're literally honoring Peter Brant and Stephanie Seymour, and we're presenting the Swans, so we're opening an exhibit this evening as well.
I dedicate this show to my son, Harry, because he passed away, and he loved it.